Hi, Peter. Good afternoon, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Peter? Yes, Peter. Yes, Peter. What happened, Peter? Peter? Okay, just unmute yourself once you're ready.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's good to know. Are you sleepy or something?
No,
Oh, no, you're not. So, what did you do today?
I watch TV.
Oh, just watching TV. Did you watch football?
No,
Oh no, you did not. Okay. Are you still in your grandparents' house, Peter?
yes,
Okay, I see. Do you like do you like living or do you like visiting your grandparents?
I don't understand.
Do you like your grandparents' place?
Bạn có thích nhà của ông bà mình không?
Yes,
Okay, wonderful, Peter. Now we'll start with a quick review of the words we've talked about yesterday, okay? Just to make sure that you can still remember and you'd be able to apply them in our activities. Now, can you tell me again what it means when we say hilarious, Peter?
I don't know.
Oh, you've forgotten it already? We're done talking about these words yesterday, Peter, and so are these. We even reviewed this one twice yesterday, right? Before moving on to the next exercise. And now you have forgotten it already. That was so quick. Okay, so again, when we say hilarious, it means it's very funny. Okay, something is very funny. It could be a film, Peter, a person. He is hilarious, which means he is very funny. Now, what about boring? Oh, is there a problem with your connection, Peter? Because I can see you join using another device. Peter?
Okay.
Okay, so now can you tell me again what it means when we say boring?
Boring is um is not fun.
Okay, yes, boring. It means it's not fun, not interesting at all. Okay, very good. What about romantic?
I don't know.
It's about love, Peter. It is relating to love or relationship, romantic. Now, what about educational?
Um, is learn is I don't know.
That's already correct, Peter. You just have to continue that one. Okay, so it is it is a movie or a certain video, Peter, wherein you can learn something. Okay, educational because you someone is teaching and at the same time the viewers or audience they are learning. Okay, so now next one, what about predictable? Predictable.
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say predictable, Peter, it means it is easy to guess. You know already what will happen next, okay? You know what to expect. Please remember these words, Peter. Um, if it's
Xảy ra
necessary.
theo cách mà người ta mong đợi.
Okay, so if you need to write it, then please do so you'll be able to remember it better. Okay, now let us proceed to our lesson for today. What does it mean when we say comedy? Comedy.
Is is I don't know.
Okay, so now let me translate it for you, Peter, and please be open in giving me your ideas in English.
Hài kịch.
Okay.
What is it, Peter?
Is I don't know.
You said yes. So you know it in Vietnamese. Can you try to say your thoughts in English?
Um,
Can you try to say it in English?
Bạn có thể thử nói bằng tiếng Anh được không?
okay.
What does it mean when we say comedy? Comedy.
I don't know.
Okay, so again, Peter, when we say comedy, it is a genre, a certain movie, play, or play that is meant to make people laugh. Okay, it makes people entertain and laugh. Now, next one, what about animated? Animated.
I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say animated, Peter, it means that it is a film, TV show, or many more that is made using drawings, models that look as if they are moving, just like Toy Story. Are you familiar with the movie Toy Story, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, so that is an example of animated film. Okay, so again, when we say animated means it's made with drawings or computer generated images.
Hoạt hình có nghĩa là nó được tạo ra bằng tranh vẽ hoặc hình ảnh do máy tính tạo ra.
Okay. There you
Okay.
have it, Peter. Now, moving on, what about thriller? Thriller.
I don't know.
Okay, so again, when we say thriller, Peter, it is still a type of story that is intended to make people feel excited and fearful. Okay, so it is a suspenseful genre that creates excitement and tension. Thriller. Wait, let me translate it for you as well so you'll understand it better in your language.
Giật gân.
Okay.
So now, next one, what about science fiction?
I don't know.
Okay, so science fiction, Peter, it is these are stories that are based on futuristic or scientific concepts. Okay, it's all about imaginary future discoveries and inventions. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, so that is science fiction, Peter. Now, what about fantasy? Fantasy.
Um. I don't know.
Okay, so when we say fantasy, Peter, these are stories based on um based or involving magic, adventure, and imaginary worlds. Like, for example, the popular one, we have Harry Potter. Do you know this movie, Peter? Harry Potter.
Yes.
Okay, so that is an example of fantasy movie. It involves magic, adventure, and imaginary worlds. Okay, so it's not real, it's non-fiction. Now, what about drama?
Um. Is is I don't know.
Okay, now let me translate it and I'll give you a chance to say it in English too.
Kịch.
Okay.
Explain it in English, Peter.
Um. Uh. Uh. I don't know.
If you can't say your thoughts in English, then you can find another way. For example, giving an example.
Um. Is uh. I don't know.
Oh, okay. So you don't know too. So now when we say drama, Peter, it is a type of story that is usually serious. Okay, it's emotional and serious stories. That is drama, serious ones. Now let us practice, Peter, and fill in the blanks. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to use these type of movies and films, Peter, and yeah, fill in the blanks. Blank movies are romantic. What kind of movie, Peter, is romantic? Can you tell me?
Um. Uh. I don't
Just
understand.
choose one. Okay, wait. What kind of movie is romantic?
Phim lãng mạn thuộc thể loại nào?
Is romance.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Peter. So we'd say romance movies are romantic. Okay, now what about for two? Blank movies are exciting.
Is
What
I
movies
don't know.
are exciting? Okay, we have talked about this one. Can you try to guess, Peter? Can you try to guess?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so it's action movie, Peter. Action movies are exciting. Okay. So now, what about for the next one? Blank movies are frightening.
Is thriller. Is thriller.
Thriller. Is it thriller, Peter? Frightening. It's scary, Peter. Scary.
Is
It's
fantastic.
fantasy. Is
Fantastic.
scary. Fantasy, Peter, it involves magic, adventure, and imaginary worlds. It's not frightening, Peter. That one is exciting as well. Okay, so it is horror, Peter. Horror.
Okay.
Okay, horror movies are frightening because in this movie, Peter, you can see ghosts, dead people, okay? So, paranormal activities, that is horror. Now, proceeding to the next one, Peter, blank movies are funny.
Is is fantasy.
Fantasy is funny? Funny, Peter, it means it makes people laugh. Laugh, okay, makes people laugh. Is it fantasy?
Is 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 comedy. Is documentary.
Okay, yes, it is. Comedy, Peter, it's comedy. It is meant to make people laugh, okay, or entertain. Now, blank movies are serious. Serious, Peter. Not, when you say serious, it's not funny. Okay, it's serious. What movie is it?
Is is science fiction.
Is it science fiction? Science fiction, Peter, that is about futuristic and scientific concepts, not actually serious. That's not serious. It's a drama, Peter. Drama. We've discussed it just now,
Okay.
Peter. How come you forgot it directly? Now, when we say drama again, this is a type of story that is usually serious. It'll make you cry. Okay, it'll make you sad. That is moving. This type of movie is moving. Okay, so it's a drama movies are serious. Last one, blank movies are violent. Violent.
I don't understand.
What, Peter?
I don't understand this question.
Okay. Wait. Violent. Oh.
Phim bạo lực thuộc thể loại nào?
Is is science fiction.
Is it science fiction, Peter?
Is animated.
Okay, so it is action, Peter. It's action movies are violent because it involves excitement, Peter. However, fighting, and as well as violence. Okay, so that is the answer here. Action movies are violent. Okay, it is the type of movie that is meant to hurt, damage, or even kill someone. That is what makes it a violent theater, violent a movie. Now let us have exercise 4. In here, you have to read the dialogue with me and you will be Leng. Please understand what you're reading, Peter, as you will be answering questions afterwards. Now, let us start. What types of movies do you like, Leng?
I like movies that make me laugh. So I love comedies, but I also like romance movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
What type of movie is it?
It is a romance.
What is it about?
It is set on a ship in the early 19
Why do you like it?
Well, the love story is the romantic, and I always cry when I watch it. I think a moving film.
Very good. Peter will read. Now let us check your understanding. What types of movies does Ling like?
Is romance.
Okay, yeah. She likes romance movies, not only romance, but as well as comedies. What is Ling's favorite movie?
Uh, uh, mm, mm, I don't know.
Okay, her favorite movie
Is
is
Tan
okay,
Titanic.
yes. Yes, Titanic, Peter. When is Ling's favorite movie set?
I don't understand.
Okay, so wait, let me translate it for you, Peter.
Bộ phim yêu thích của Linh lấy bối cảnh khi nào?
Is 90
100.
100.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Peter. Thank you so much. And that ends our class for today. And I will be seeing you again tomorrow. So please review the words that we've discussed today, and we'll review it tomorrow before we start the next lesson. Thank you so much for your time, Peter. Goodbye, Peter.
Peter.